Hi everybody, it's Beth from Kingston Crafts, and today's the day. We got our knife blade. So I'm going to show you how to calibrate it because that's the first step into starting to cut with this fabulous new tool. First of all, when you get your package, do not throw this piece away. You want to save this for when you get ready to change out your knife blade. So hang on to that when you get your packaging. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take out the blade that we've got in our Cricut. So you're going to open the B clamp. Take out the blade you've got in it, throw it across your table. Then I'm going to take off the cover for the blade and I'm going to insert the knife blade so that these teeth are going to line up with these teeth in here. So I'm going to insert it there and close the clamp, and it should close completely. That's how you know you've got it in the right spot. Then the other two things you're going to need are a mat and a plain old piece of copy paper. I took this out of my printer at home. So I'm going to go ahead and lay the paper in the top corner of my mat, because what it's going to do is cut a few, make a few cuts into the paper so that we can tell which cut is straight across and is best going to fit our needs. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this here. Then I'm going to go over to my design space and click on these 3 bars and go down to calibration. So click on that. And I want to calibrate the knife blade, so I click on that. I've already inserted the knife blade, I've already inserted the paper, and I'm going to click continue. So it's finding my maker. And then just like if you're getting ready to cut something, it's going to tell me to load my mat into the machine. The little flashing light's going to go on. So I'm going to push that button. And then select go. So you can see how it's making several cuts on the same piece of paper, and when it's done I'm going to show you exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so I'm going to unload my mat just like I would if it had cut. So instead of, you can see how it's got those different cuts there. Instead of just looking at it on the mat, I want you to peel it off and be gentle because this is just copy paper. I'm going to set this mat aside. Then I want you to take it and really sort of peel it back so you can see the difference. So you see here on cut number 1, there's actually 2 separate cuts. So you know you don't want that one for sure. And you're going to go down. Number 2, also the cuts don't line up. Number 3, you're just going to go all the way down. And to me, it looks like one of the last 2 is the best one. It actually looks like the last one might be the best one. And it gives you exactly what you're looking for here on the computer screen. So you click select and it tells you to click which number of the lines you think works best. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I'm actually going to go with number 7. So then I just scroll down to 7, click continue, and then it gives you a chance to learn a little more information about the knife blade, but my calibration is complete and I am ready to cut.